Hey guys, Kim on a Whim here again. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hope you subscribe and stick around and see what's going on today. And if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back. And I hope you guys hang out and watch a cleaning video that I have going up today. I do have a video that I posted for the first time just a few days ago of a shoe organization. Hope you guys can check that video out and kind of get a background. I went over kind of a little bit of what my life story is here and what I'm doing and what's going on, and I hope you enjoy this. Actually, funny story though, because this is probably the 5th time that I've tried to record this intro, and I have a 14-year-old son who's a gamer, so he likes to yell at his games. And then I went to what I thought would be quiet in the laundry room, but the air conditioning unit started. And then I went into the kitchen thinking it would be quiet, and the dog needed to get something to drink, so hopefully we'll get this up and running. Enjoy. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this messy, messy kitchen. I have some dishes from the night before, some dishes from breakfast this morning. Probably chose to just hang out with the kids and watch a movie or a show. But we're going to get it cleaned up. Just in case you guys are wondering, I currently do not have a dishwasher, so I do all of my dishes by hand. And the rack that you're seeing me put all of my dishes are a rack that I got from IKEA many years ago. But it works because it holds so many dishes, so many glasses, and I have a little pouch, like a little bin on the back of it that holds all of our silverware. So I've had it for many, many years now. I don't even know if they sell it anymore, but if they do, I'll post it down on the description box below. The mitt you see me using to dust off all of my tables and my TV stand is a mitt that I purchased at the dollar store. I buy it in the automotive section, and it comes in, I think, 2 different colors if you want to kind of use one for polishing, one for glass, and it's a microfiber cloth, or mitt, I should say, that you can just put your hand in, and makes it a little easier to wipe around and get legs of your tables and then your chairs or anything that you might need to clean up. Look at this side eye the dog just gave the vacuum. That's Coco. That's our English bulldog. She's pretty much a ham, and she hates the vacuum. Don't worry though, she won't bite. Well, unless you're a vacuum. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed this video today, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram at KimOnAWhim2017. That's where I'll keep you guys updated on any new projects and maybe a bedroom redo that I'm considering. Thanks again, guys. Bye.